Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from, okay? Yes, I'm your friend, your lady, whatever you call me, Lady Jane Concept TV. That lady that always sit in the car to talk. Are you laughing? This time around, I'm in my house. As you can see, school has started. Everywhere done cool. No, it's yesterday to sit down in my house and make this video, okay? Because school don't start, they don't go school. So that me get house and I no go work today. I started to come out and talk my mind, my kind of. Before initially this channel was made for talking only, motivating people and gingering women. But later on we started talking about things where they happen, like bonuses. Today I'm not here to talk bonus. Today a bonus job, now I can't talk. Bonus ginger. Bonus get up. Bonus everything, now I can't talk today, okay? Yes, as you guys know, I'm a mother of 4. Yes, from Nigeria, precisely Imo State. I'm a Christian. Yes, Catholic. So, what I'm talking here today is about our women. Yes, our women. When I say our women, I mean in all and everywhere. No, besides I know they dimension it. I want to talk about ourselves, women and mothers especially. Okay? Because I just they think every day if I sleep, I go they think, what can I do to help myself? What can I do to build myself? Or what can I do to better my life? To better my family and my friends? That's what I always think. And I find out that for Europe here, it is not easy. At all. You know, it's at all. Especially for mothers with young children like us. Young children, if not Kalapa people. Young children like us. Like ours. Okay? So, I can't think. Can we just do something? Maybe for ourselves. That's nothing I never think. Sometimes I go even ask God, what can I do? But the things they're going to show me, it depends on my area. It depends on your area, because you cannot be here in Italy and work in America. Some online jobs here, some of them are not accepted here. Because I remember my husband's cousin in America is doing something. I wanted to join her, but they restricted my area because I know the America. So you see that restriction in everything they do. I found out that your area, where you stay, determines what you do and also who you will be. But you can sometimes jump out of your, as in location, your area, without even going out actually through online. Yes, that's what I mean. These things, these games that says that survival of the fittest is in Europe, Italy precisely, because in Nigeria, if not for a bad government, anybody can survive. Yes, if not for a bad government, anybody can survive in Nigeria. You can imagine why I'm saying this is this. In Italy here, you cannot just start selling pure water. You cannot start selling kerosene. You cannot start in front of your house and start doing hair. You cannot just do anything like that because law would not allow you. But in Nigeria, you can just wake up one day and start selling kerosene in front of your house. You just talk with your landlady. They will allow you to put a kind of container in front of your house. But here, it doesn't work like that. Here, law will not even allow you to open an ordinary African shop because you have to go to school and study it. But in our own case, in our government, now them they spoil our show for us. Maybe say, if you gather that small money, where you sell for kerosene. Before you know it, area boys go call, they go call and say na revenue tax. Even this place you are selling that in, they no go come clean the gutter, and you still go come clean. But make I no go to Nigeria because their own day, our own day. So they talk about our own women we dey Europe. We women we dey Europe. There's one thing I found out about ourselves. We women we dey kill ourselves. Yes. I want to tell you something. I have a friend. That friend sells things online. She goes to shops. And you know one thing about the Italian shops is this: every station, every state, let me say province, get the same shop. Where say if I dey Padova, the same shop where they here, dey Ferrara, dey Bologna, dey Padova, dey Venezia, even dey Rome. Something like, let me say, Ins, dey Lider, dey Rovigo, dey Rome, dey Milan. So this my friend, we always go to shops where they sell jewelries, makeups, and buy things. No, she will not even buy them actually. She will snap the pictures and put it on Facebook. Just do something. People will start liking it. People will start saying, I like it. Some people that don't have time. 2 years ago, last year, I wasn't even having time. This time I'm here. I'm having here talking now. I know they have this kind of time because work. Now December, I drop one job so that I can have time. That's the time I'm using now to do YouTube. Okay? So this, my friend, will go to supermarkets and snap. And me, I like better things. I like good things. She will snap pictures and showing us. I will say, babe, I like this, so how can I get it? She will buy for me. Sometimes she will do post. I will be the one to pay for the post. Sometimes she will give it to somebody that is coming to my side. Or sometimes my husband will go to work, if he's a Padova, and return it for me. That's me going out. Not that I don't know where to go and buy that. She will even tell me it's OVS or H&M or all this shop where they sell clothes and jewelries and them. But I prefer to buy from her just to patronize her. Maybe she can have like €5 gain. That is women building women. Okay? Another thing. Sometimes this same woman will also bring things from Nigeria to sell. Like tops and crap. I'll buy from her. Not that I don't have. My sister who's in America. In fact, all my clothes comes from her. Because I don't even pay. All the ones where she don't wear because she senior me direct. The one where she senior me na reverend sister. So that one, no, they wear our word clothes. You know, they wear this kind of clothes. So after wearing that clothes, she go shape and for my side and send to me. But I still bought from her to patronize her, to build her up, to encourage her. It's not about that encouragement. Okay? That is women building women. So, when I started my own, I called her. I started YouTube. She said she doesn't know how to do subscription. I said, let it be. Let her be. That is it. Okay. That one is by the way. Because that is my business. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm referring to it. Women building women and women bringing women down. I have another friend selling Juice Plus. When she came to me and told me about that, I bought from her. Every month I was paying €50, 50 cents for 4 months. That's what I paid. Not that it's fantastic or it's making me to slim down or it's making me to grow or not to grow. But I want to encourage her to do something. I promised another person I'm going to buy the moment I finish paying this one. What I did was to be sharing her products on Facebook. She will tag me. She's watching me. She's my fan. She's hearing me now. I'll be sharing her works. The ones I like, I share. The ones I don't like, I don't share. It's not that I must share everything. No, the ones I like. Okay, I told this other friend that, see this, share it. She started talking down on it. It doesn't make me seem to go. It doesn't sleep. Let me tell you, it depends on your lifestyle. You can eat one thing that makes me slim, and another person, no, I can eat something and it brings me down. Another person can eat and the person will grow fat. It depends on lifestyle. That I introduce something to you to buy or it will make you this, it make that, does not make it fake. It does not make me lie. It depends on how you handle it. You can still eat that thing wrongly. Let me take an example. Let me give you an example. Take for instance, this detox. You can do your own with some things you like. I can do my own with some things I like. Different body, different things works for different person. You cannot come and be talking, bringing it down, telling other people, well, I was trying to make boom my market, boost my market, rather you will not be bringing me down, telling me this is rubbish. No, my sister, that that is women killing women. Even if you're not buying, keep notes. So we buy. Women killing, bringing down women. Okay? So, let me go on. Because as I'm talking now, the thing full my head. When the thing full my head, I speak it out. I decided to talk to my fans. If you are one of the people bringing, in fact, make I tell another now, we men, we need to come up. We need to get up and build ourselves up. Men have dropped us by. They are not even, let me say why I said this. Let me tell you why. When I opened my YouTube channel, I was on Facebook begging people, accepting all those friends that even 2-3 years ago, so that I can ask them to subscribe. Some people will, some of the men will be like, can I see your face to know if you're a woman or if you are not a woman? Can I see your eyes? Can I talk to you? Just for them to subscribe. I was like, man, what will it take you to subscribe? Some will even say, madam, what will you give me in return if I subscribe? I said, what do you want? I want to be your girlfriend, your boyfriend. I told him, sir, I didn't come to Facebook to look for boyfriend. I came to market my product, that is YouTube. Some of them will subscribe. Some will even say, okay, I will do that. They will not. Some will eventually subscribe. They will want to be chatting you every day of their life. How are you? Fine. Have you eaten? Fine. When will you eat? Fine. You know, and when you don't reply, then they will go and remove the subscription. Men. Some, not all. Because they have seen every woman on Facebook that you come to look for boyfriend. They think you are on Facebook to look for boyfriend. On social media rather, not only Facebook, even Instagram. But that one I'm not conversing today. To look for boyfriend. Or they will ask you if you are married. I always introduce myself. I am Mrs. So person. Married mother of 4. Some women tell me that ask if you are married or not. Some even say I don't care if you are married or not. Just for them to click on the red button. We keep suffering women. So why will a woman come and be bringing down a fellow woman, knowing that men are not even helping us in that way? We women should come together and build ourselves. Yes, we women should come together and build ourselves. So along the line, I made some friends on YouTube. Family, I made a family. I made so many friends on YouTube. We now brought up, we took ourselves up. Okay? We grew ourselves and we're still doing that. May God bless those women that are building women. And may God touch those that are bringing women down. A fellow woman to bring, to revise, to retrace, to break, to firm and move avant. Move front. Yes. If you call yourself a woman, do you know that to some extent, I started accepting all my female friendship requests on Facebook. Because I know that for business, they are like me. I told myself from today, I will join that club, that group, women building women. We will have to build ourselves. When I see a woman sending me friend request, I will check her profile. If she's selling Juice Plus, Life Plus, anything, clothes, makeups, I will accept her. I will also invite her. I will also shut her up. If it's one I can do, I will do. If it's one I cannot do, I will tell her, tag me, I will share you. Whenever she's going live on Facebook to sell her product, I will go there and support her. That's women building women. As long as I cannot buy everything, I cannot buy more than what I need or what I can afford. I can't give what I don't have. I can only buy this, but I will always support her. Women, let us build women. Let us support ourselves. The trend is moving fast too. Our men here in Europe, they don't care much. They don't care much. I'm not talking about your own man as your husband. No. I'm not talking about your cousin as your brother or your in-law. No, I'm talking about in general men. You only have your friends subscribe to your channel. And that is all. And there's no how you can have up to... Okay, let's take for instance, I have up to 4,000 friends on my page. I have a page. Even ordinary to like that page. Not difficult thing. So let's assume that I don't have YouTube friends and I depend on my 4,000 friends to subscribe to me. None of them did. A majority of them will just be thinking of what will I get in return? Even to listen, somebody is asking me, telling me, well, I don't have money to subscribe. I say, it's not money. Just click on that red button. They abandoned me. It was gradually I started removing them. Because the life I did now, where I did now, the position I did now, the type of life where they live now. Now who greets Sonny? Now Sonny they greet. If you greet Sonny, Sonny go greet you. If you no greet Sonny, Sonny no go greet you. Yes, I've learned to move on. No looking back. I know they listen at my back and they move on. So if you are not supporting me, if you are not supportive in my life, I drop you. And I don't belong in the club that always think of, hey, let me keep this my friend. Who knows, tomorrow he may make it or she may make it and remember me. Let me tell you, they will never remember you when they make it. And they may not even make it. They may even bring you down while trying to bring you down while they're falling down. So it's better you drop those people. It's better you let those people go and move on. At a time in life, you should reflect. You should ask yourself this question. What am I doing? What am I going to do? This friend, what am I benefiting from her or him rather? If not, drop that friend. If you don't know how to drop friend, I will teach you. It's not only when you don't need to call her. I don't need you again. Or hey, no. Stop calling her. If she calls you, go straight to the point and talk and drop her. If she continue calling you, leave the phone. By the time she will call you 10 times in a week and you don't answer, not be person go tell and say, boss, don't move, or trend, don't move. Come on. Yes, you need to have a friend that is impacting things in your life. It's not ordinary money. It's not, but at least a friend that can encourage you, not only buying your product or your business, even in actual life. Friend that can tell you, see what is happening here, see what is going on here or there. That's the kind of friend you need. Then the friend that will call you, see what Margaret said, see what Agnes talk, see this, see that, saga, gossip. Drop such friend, my sister. They know they pay. They know they pay. So, women bringing down women, shame onto you. Women bringing down women, shame onto you. Maybe your husband has it, or you are rich, so you're not working, you're not selling, you're only at home talking, bringing down other people's products, talking against other people's business. Yes, YouTube is my business. Yes. Thank God I work. I work at old people's home. I have 2 jobs, but they're not enough. If you bring it, any day where I don't make money finish, I go enter Nigeria. You wait there for Europe, they claim say you have it all. What are you still doing? Don't you know that life is difficult in Europe? Yes, life is extremely difficult in Europe. If you know you have made it all, go home and enjoy your money. Yes, go Nigeria, buy land, buy plot, buy house in Banana Island, sit down there every morning and be enjoying. Employ all the workers, domestic workers that will even wash your whatever. But as far as you're in Europe, you are hustling like me. So it doesn't matter how I make my money. If I even make it by selling products on the street, money is money. Once it's not gotten in a bad way. If I make it on YouTube, it's money. If I make it on Facebook, it's money. If I make it everywhere, once it's not in a bad way, it's money. So why will you come and bring down my business? Why will you talk against my business? All because you don't like it and you still call yourself my friend. No, I don't keep such friends. Not only that you did not support my business, I don't care. Everybody must not support you. But bringing down my business, even in front of me, talking bad, telling me I want to use you because I asked you to do something for me. Subscribe to me. I want to use it to make money. Do you think that your one subscription will go anywhere? Is it significant? You know, sure. At all. Your one thumbs up does not matter. It does not count. But one at a time matters, not only your own. Yes, if one person no go market, they know. Yes, that's the one person. I be one talking for Igbo. Say make I talk for Igbo because most of my friends are not Igbos. You know? So let us be careful how we live our life, what we do, what we talk, who we keep as friends. Some friends are not friends. They are enemies. They are backbiters. You cannot be my friend when you don't support me. Even if you don't come to my live program because of time or because you don't want, don't bring me down. Don't talk about my business because I don't play with my business. Yes, you have your own job, you work, and that is okay for you. You are talking, look at her, she has gone to YouTube, she's working here, she's working now, she has entered YouTube. What's your business? Am I using your data? Are you the one paying my bills? No, if you don't want to support me, day your day, make a day my day. Okay? So, that is by the way. Another thing I want to talk about now is skills. It's very, very important we have skills. It's very, very important we have skills. But what I mean by skills now, handwork. Not be everybody go get them. But if you get them, you go better. And even if you don't get them, you come Europe, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? In my next video, I'm going to talk about skills. How to get skills in Europe. Okay, the importance of skills in Europe. The importance of education. And how that will lead us to getting a job. Yes, that is what I'm going to talk in my next video. How we are going to help ourselves. If not anything that will pay in this life, don't call Lady Jane. If money no down, keep them. If information no down, beneficial one, information will go benefit me, will go lead me to something good. No call Jane. No call me on phone. Because I'm not going to answer you. I go cut you off. If I notice say you know the talk better. If no be something will go increase my pocket, my bank account, no call me. No be saying a physical money. You can give me ideas. You can give me a kind of opportunity to make money, opportunity to do things that will be beneficial to my life. If not, today your day, make a day my day. Okay? Yes. Thank you for listening to me. Yes, thank you. As you can see, I'm not shouting this time around. I'm trying not to shout because some of my friends say, why I always shout, I always rush my talk. I should talk pianino, pianino. Life, na JJ. Okay? If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor. Subscribe to it. Open all your notification button so that whenever I drop it, you go catch them. Yes, till then, may God bless you. Ciao, ciao.